Think you're making money on Amazon? Hidden fees might be silently killing your profits. Let's go over it in today's video. And we've seen so many people complain on Amazon that they're secretly charging other fees, hidden fees. And yes, Amazon does charge hidden fees. Amazon doesn't know what the heck they're doing when you ask seller support. Like this one got charged, this is 3 weeks ago, $13,000. So took 50% of their proceeds on this seller. Very, very upset. Nobody knows how he got charged 50%. Amazon actually responded, nobody knows. Look at all these dislikes. Very upset, right? And this does happen. In order to stay on top of it, you need to dispute these things extremely quickly. Now, obviously, you can do the old-fashioned method, which is going into your Amazon account, right? And then going into payments. And when you go into payments, you can click on reports repository and then do a transaction report and look at all of your transactions to see how much Amazon's charging you, if they're ripping you off, if they're charging you extra fees. It's going to look something like this, where it's just got tons of data that's scattered and makes almost no sense. So you can look at this. If you're really good with numbers and spreadsheets, go through it. And I do say you should go through it once to try to understand what the heck is going on here, because it's going to have all these random, here's the other category, super scary. It's going to have all these random numbers. So definitely go through that, right? And then you can also go to another section. And this is the transaction view section, and go through every transaction one by one. This is also a great way to see where the fees are going from. And this is a lot easier, right? Now you can see all of these different transaction types, right? And they have something called other. And this is what pisses most of the sellers off, because Amazon doesn't know what the heck this is. You ask them, they won't tell you what other is. Nobody knows what other is. The person got charged that I just showed you at the beginning of the video, $13,000 in other fees. So it's very difficult. And then there's all these other ones that you need to look out for, right? So stay on top of it, look into it. But of course, I do recommend having a tool so that way you're not stressed out all the time. Now, there's Jungle Scout. It's right in the description. They'll pull Amazon's actual reports and tell you, look, there's these random fees. This is what's been coming up. You can actually look at all of the profit, plug in your numbers, get the profit margin. It's a very solid tool. And there's a link in the description for a discount. And then, of course, the next one I would recommend is going to be Helium 10. Now, Jungle Scout's a little bit easier to use. Helium 10 is more powerful, but you can see the profits tool on here, and you can go over all of the profits. They do have a lot more options on Helium 10. Again, it's a little bit more difficult to use, right? So if you think about Instagram, it's so easy to use. That's going to be Jungle Scout. And if you think about TikTok, there's a lot more you can do. It's a little bit more complicated to use. That's going to be Helium 10. So it's up to you on what you want to try, but definitely check these out so that way you're not super stressed. And I recommend you go in order on what I explained in this video, going through, downloading the reports, trying to figure it out yourself, going through the transaction view, seeing if Amazon's ripping you off, and then utilizing these tools, or at least trying to get a free trial for one of these tools and plugging it in and seeing how the data adds up and seeing if you're actually making money. Is Amazon ripping you off? Are they overcharging you storage fees, refund fees, all that fun stuff? And then you can track it on a regular basis. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.